here at All Speed Customs Day. I'm going to show you one of our latest projects. This is a 1973 Firebird. It's a crazy Restomod build, nothing but the best. So we have massive Wilwood brakes. We've got 6-piston front disc brakes, 4-piston rear disc brakes, and then of course the Wilwood Master to go along with it. Let me show you under the hood real quick. Under the hood, we've got a modern LS1. We put a different camshaft in it from Comp Cams. We run about 500 horsepower. Also has vintage air AC system, a Griffin aluminum radiator, and it's all mated to a Tremec T6060 manual trans. So 6 speeds, this thing is beautiful running down the highway. What makes this car handle so great is all underneath with all the suspension mods. It's got the RideTech strong arm coilover system in the front, and it's got a 4-link RideTech system with coilovers in the rear. It's got a 12-volt Chevy rear end from Mosier with a 355-to-1 gear. So with all the performance modifications, we had to go inside, give it the same luxury feel. What we did is ran Corbeau seats here. We recovered them all in leather with the red stitch and the diamond pattern. We've got 6-speed manual transmission, Dakota Digital gauges, vintage air AC control, keep the climate nice and comfy, and it's got a full Pioneer stereo system. I did it steering column and American Autowire complete new Highway 22 wiring harness. So one of the first things everybody notices about this killer Firebird is the body and paint. So we use all BASF Glaser at 55 line products here, and this is actually a custom black cherry color. You get it out in the sun, you really see the red highlights in it. In the shade or in the shadows, it's just a deep, deep jet black. We totally took the body apart, did a full frame off, used all 3M products, and should last a long, long time and just look beautiful for years to come. As always, we appreciate you checking out one of our latest builds here at All Speed Customs. Keep checking back for more. We've got a ton of projects in the hopper that we're working on, and you can always check online, www.allspeedcustoms.com. Thanks again.